So you might be in a position where your Instagram filters are just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you go ahead and make your way over to your story panel or your post panel on the side. And let's say you take a photo, or let's say you want to go ahead and do something like this. And maybe your filters at the bottom aren't working, or maybe you're going through and actually searching for a usable filter on your main page at the bottom, and maybe these ones aren't working either. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend doing, though, is making sure your Instagram application is updated. If your Instagram app is severely outdated, then this may be the number one reason why this is happening. So what you want to do is make your way over to your app store, just like this. You want to go and click on search up there. You want to go and search up Instagram, just like how we're doing right now. And all we want to do is update our Instagram application. Now, like I mentioned, if your Instagram app is completely outdated, meaning you have not updated in like weeks or months or years, then chances are your filters have a higher likelihood of not working. And this is pretty much the first thing I'd recommend doing at this point. Now, let's say this isn't working. Let's say you update the application and it's still not working. Well, then you may want to make sure that Instagram isn't actually down. Because if Instagram and their servers aren't acting out properly, well, then there may be a chance where your application isn't probably going to work. So to test this, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. You don't have to go to them exactly, but websites like downdetector.com end up showcasing to you exactly what can potentially be going wrong in your area with your Wi-Fi connections and all this stuff. So if you come here and you see that Instagram is one of the first ones up here, well, then most probably Instagram is down and you pretty much just have to wait until they fix it. Now, as you can see, Instagram is right here. Most probably Instagram, if you're having issues and a lot of other people are having issues too, well, then all you have to do is just wait until they fix it. And that's really all you have to do. Now, let's say you go back into Instagram, you swipe to the side and Instagram, the filters are still not working. Well, another thing you may want to do is temporarily log out of your account and log back into your account. And that may end up fixing the situation as well. So make your way over to your profile page here. You can go and sign out by clicking on the top 3 lines up there, clicking settings, scrolling down and pretty much just logging out of your account. And when you log out, you may actually be able to go ahead and log back in. And from there, you want to see if your account and all that information is back up. Chances are, like I mentioned, you should be good to go. If it's still not working, you may want to restart your device. You can try reinstalling Instagram, but chances are Instagram might be down and you'll pretty much just have to wait until they fix it. So that is pretty much it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.